Ever wonder why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? It's not always about how much you earn, but how you think about money. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of money and uncovering the key mindset shifts that separate the rich from the rest. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about rewiring your brain for long-term financial success. First, let's talk about time. Most people trade their time directly for money. An hour of work equals an hour of pay. The wealthy, however, think differently. They focus on building systems and assets that make money for them even when they're not actively working. Think about it. Investments, a business that runs without you, or a creative work that generates royalties. They understand that their time is their most valuable and finite resource. So instead of just working for money, they make their money work for them. This creates a stream of passive income, which is the real secret to breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind. Next up is the concept of risk. Many of us are taught to avoid risk at all costs. We're told to save our money, put it in a safe bank account, and never gamble. While that's sensible advice to an extent, the wealthy have a different relationship with risk. They don't avoid it, they understand it and manage it. They know that calculated risks are necessary for significant returns. This doesn't mean being reckless, it means doing your homework, understanding the potential upsides and downsides, and making informed decisions. While the average person sees a stock market dip and panics, a wealthy investor might see a buying opportunity. They play the long game and aren't swayed by short-term market noise. Another huge difference is their attitude toward spending. It's a common myth that rich people are all about flashy cars and designer clothes. While some are, many of the truly wealthy live surprisingly modest lifestyles. They understand the power of delayed gratification. Instead of spending their money on depreciating assets, things that lose value over time, like a brand new car, they prioritize investing in appreciating assets. These are things that are likely to grow in value, like stocks, real estate, or their own education. They see every dollar not just as something to spend, but as a seed they can plant to grow their future wealth. Before making a large purchase, they ask themselves, will this make me more money? Or will it just cost me money? That simple question can completely change your spending habits. Let's also touch on their mindset around learning. For many, education ends with school. But for the wealthy, learning is a lifelong pursuit. They are constantly reading, attending seminars, and networking with people who know more than they do. They understand that the world is always changing, and to stay ahead, you have to keep growing your knowledge, especially when it comes to finance, business, and investing. They aren't afraid to admit what they do know and are willing to pay for expert advice. They see investing in their own financial education as the best investment they can possibly make, with the highest potential return. Finally, the wealthy think about money in terms of freedom and opportunity, not just survival and security. For many, the goal is simply to have enough money to pay the bills and feel secure. The rich see money as a tool that buys them freedom. Freedom to choose how they spend their time, freedom to pursue their passions, freedom to make an impact on the world, and freedom from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. This shift in perspective is powerful. When you're aiming for freedom, not just survival, your goals become bigger, and you start to see possibilities where you once saw limitations. So to recap, the wealthy focus on building systems for passive income. They manage risk instead of avoiding it. They delay gratification to invest in appreciating assets. They are committed to lifelong learning, and they view money as a tool for freedom. Changing your financial reality starts with changing your mindset. Start small. Pick one of these ideas and focus on integrating it into your own life. You might be surprised at how quickly your financial picture begins to change. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more insights into building a life of financial freedom. See you in the next one.